Okay, what I got today is this weed burner, but I don't get it for burning weeds. I got it for starting charcoal or wood for my smoker. This went together really nice. It's very solid. All of the valves are very, very touchy and good. I just connected it to my propane tank, and you turn it on just a little bit so you hear the gas, and then click till it's lit, and then it's a little windy today. Now you're burning weeds, or in my case, you're lighting charcoal. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.